Welcome to Ainshaw Care's NABH Quality Indicator series. Hospitals strive to deliver the best care, and quality indicators are the key to tracking performance. In this series, we'll break down each essential NABH quality indicator, explaining what they measure, why they matter, and how to use them for continuous improvement. Get ready to optimize your hospital's quality. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative content. In this video, we will learn about the risk management related quality indicator. Quality indicator number 35, number of variations observed in mock drills. Indicator type, process related. Definition: a mock drill is a simulation exercise of preparedness for any type of event. It could be an event or disaster. This is basically a dry run or preparedness drill. For example, fire mock drill, disaster drill, code blue drill. Source of the data: mock drill report records. Indicator monitored by or responsible person, quality coordinator. The formula is total number of variations observed in a mock drill. The unit is number. Sample size, not applicable. Explanation: to capture the variation, it is suggested that every organization develop a checklist to capture the events during a mock drill. This shall also include tabletop exercises. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Ainshaw Care for more healthcare-related content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.